Imagine earning passive income every single day just by holding a token. No trading needed. Today, I'm going to show you how that's possible with BlockchainFX. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. Alright guys, as you can see, I'm now logged into BlockchainFX. This is one of the demo accounts, and just look at how well it's been put together. So as you can see right here on the left, you've got your total portfolio, trading history, chat and support, market analysis, and even video tutorials. And like I mentioned, you can do heaps on this platform. So if I click on this, you can trade Forex, stocks, cryptos, commodities, and ETFs. Check all that out. The charts are really nice. As you can see, they're nice and clean. You've got your open positions, your pending positions, buy, sell, take profit, stop loss, pip value. So everything you need is all in one spot. The BFX pre-sale has already raised over $8.6 million and is showing strong confidence from early investors. Early buyers get the advantage of lower prices before the next stage kicks off. So don't miss out on this awesome opportunity. Alright guys, so this is the website for BlockchainFX, and they're the first crypto trading super app where you can do crypto, stocks, Forex, bonds, all in one place, even ETFs. So if you're a trader, this is your one-stop shop. You can literally do everything here. It's just so convenient. So I don't know why more traders aren't using BlockchainFX. Alright, let me walk you through their website for a bit. Alright guys, so as I mentioned earlier in the video, the BFX pre-sale has already raised over $11 million and it's looking really promising for early investors. Early buyers will get the lowest prices during this pre-sale, so this is your sign to jump in and take advantage of it. Alright guys, so like I said before, you can get daily staking rewards. If you own BFX, you can earn daily rewards in USDT just for holding BFX. And those rewards come from trading fees. And if you hold a larger amount, you can earn up to $25,000 in payouts, which is just absolutely wild for simply owning BFX. With major SEX listings locked in, a growing user base, and millions in daily trading volume, BFX offers huge potential for those who get in early during the pre-sale. So don't miss out on this exclusive chance while the pre-sale window's open. Secure your BFX tokens now and use the code YT30 to get 30 extra coins. This offer is only available during the pre-sale window, so get in quick and grab your tokens and coins now. That's a wrap for today's video, folks. If you enjoyed it, give it a like and hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell so you don't miss any of our uploads. Until next time, cheers!